ChatGPT can help you understand your personal finances, and I'm going to show you how. OpenAI has come out with a new version of ChatGPT recently, and it's more powerful than we thought. Let's see what ChatGPT can do when I ask it to analyze a hypothetical person. Let's check out John's spending habits over the last few months. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Here we can see the structure of the prompt, task, topic, style, tone, and length. We've got the income, salary, $5,000 per month, side hustle income, which varies each month. For expenses, he has the typical rent, utilities, gas, groceries, other food and discretionary items, and credit card payments, car payments, he's got travel, and even a bank fee. John has some outstanding debt, mostly related to a credit card, which is pretty high, and a car loan. Coming back to ChatGPT, here I've got the main prompt up top, and at the bottom, I have all the data from that table. The results are in. There are a few areas where John can improve his spending habits to increase his savings. First, taking a look at John's expenses. John's grocery spending, snacks, desserts, and DoorDash have been fluctuating each month. In January and February, John spent a total of $750 on snacks and desserts. In addition, John spent over $1,200 on DoorDash during those 2 months, which is a significant expense. In March and April, John's spending on groceries decreased, which is a positive change. However, John's spending on DoorDash remained high at $450 and $600. If John continues to spend that much money on DoorDash each month, he could be throwing away hundreds or even thousands of dollars each year. Instead of ordering in, John should consider cooking more meals at home or finding more affordable food options. Another area where John could improve his spending habits is with his clothing expenses. In February, John spent $350 on clothes, and in March and April, he spent $650 and $550. Unless John has a specific reason for needing new clothes each month, it would be wise for him to reduce his spending into this category. Next, let's take a look at John's outstanding debt. His credit card debt has increased by $1,250 over the first 4 months of the year. If John continues to carry a balance on his credit card and only pays a minimum payment each month, he could end up paying significantly more on interest charges over time. It would be wise for John to make larger payments on his credit card debt to pay it off more quickly and reduce the amount of interest he will have to pay. John could improve his spending habits in a few areas to increase his savings. Specifically, John could reduce his spending on snacks, desserts, and DoorDash, as well as his clothing expenses. John can make larger payments on his credit card debt and car loan to reduce the amount of interest he will have to pay. By making these changes, John can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month. Expenses are pretty high for John. Let's see how we can earn more income. I've got a few interesting tips. Get a side hustle, part-time job, rent out a spare room, sell some things you don't need, invest in the stock market or real estate. Let's see if ChatGPT has any more tips for John. You should take advantage of promotions to get free stocks, like at Webull. Check out the link below for free stocks. Well, I can't argue with that. Check out the link in the description to get those free stocks. I personally use Webull, and I love their features, especially the extended trading hours, where you can trade before most other brokerages are even open. ChatGPT's abilities have really leveled up with those latest versions that are coming out. With a little customization, you could have your own AI assistant and have it review your own spending and help provide specific insights to help boost your savings. It takes money to make money, so use ChatGPT to your advantage. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe.